I said we were having dinner, it was really lunch. No mistake there. We are having this for dinner. So the soup was for lunch. Okay. And I used the same vegetables to make some stew. And this is an Empire organic chicken, which is basically poultry that is raised without antibiotics or hormones. I poured this A1 sauce in there, which made it really juicy. It's not too bad. I thought it was going to be, at first I wasn't going to buy it, but then I looked at it, and really I give these ingredients a B. It has only 2 grams of sugars, 3 grams of carbs, which I like that. So it's low in carbohydrate, although it doesn't have any protein, but it's great for your stews and chicken and things like that. So it has all natural ingredients, tomato puree, vinegar. The corn syrup I'm not thrilled about, but all the other ingredients seem to be not too bad. Okay. The thing I used to flavor the chicken was this Mendel's Kansas City barbecue sauce. It's gluten-free and kosher. And I don't know where I picked it up, but it has 7 grams of carbohydrate, so not too high. Total of 6 grams of sugars, but let's see what's in it. Okay, so it's the guy who makes it. All natural, I think this is why I bought it. All natural gluten-free ingredients: water, tomato paste, brown sugar, sugar, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, molasses, corn syrup, water, salt, caramel color, garlic powder, sugar, spices. Alright, so the only things that, you know, are a question mark for me on this would be, you know, and then it has natural smoke flavor, so I wouldn't think that it had any nitrates in it. But I see sugar listed here 3 times, so that's a little concerning. However, total sugars is only 6 grams. So it does add a lot of flavor to the meat and it tastes delicious.